Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. So today we are going to try a Himachali dish or a Himachali sweet dish called Meetha. This is made out of Basmati rice. It's very easy and quick to make. The detailed ingredients are in the description box below. Please do check it out. So let's start making the dish. So let's have a look at the ingredients. In here I have Basmati rice, long grain rice, which I have soaked for 20 minutes in water and then drained and kept it ready. I also have a handful of mixed nuts, that's cashew, almonds and pistachios, and raisins. I have cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and fennel seeds. A pinch of turmeric, sugar, ghee. In here I've got milk, into which I've added saffron strands. I've added a pinch of saffron. I've got water ready in here. So these are the ingredients that we require to make the meetha. So let's start preparing the dish. The first step is to pour some ghee into a pan, heat it up and fry the nuts. We'll start with the nuts. Once the nuts are fried, add in the raisins. We'll remove them into a bowl and keep it aside. I poured the rest of the ghee into the pan. Into this goes the whole masalas, that's cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and fennel. Saute it so that it gives out aroma. Now we'll add in the washed, soaked and drained rice. We'll fry the rice for 1 to 2 minutes. So I've fried the rice for 2 minutes. Now we'll add in the sugar. And we'll mix this until the sugar melts and is completely absorbed. The sugar is melted and mixed well into the rice. At this stage we bring the fire down to low and add the milk in which the saffron has been soaked. Also add the water. We will also add in the turmeric. Mix it and let this come to a boil. So the milk and water has come to a boil. We'll bring the fire to low. Close this with a lid and we'll let this cook until all the liquid is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Once all the water has been absorbed and the rice is cooked, I have removed it from fire. Now we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. After which we'll garnish it with the dry fruits which we have already fried. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So wasn't that a very easy and quick recipe? I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Until I see you next time, bye bye.